It is just a 3-step process to fix. Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration problem in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type CMD. Right click here and select run as administrator. Then select S. Now type these commands carefully. netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt. Again go to search bar and type control panel. Click here to open it. Then click on network and internet. Then select network and sharing center. Then click on change adapter settings. Right click on Ethernet and select properties. Now click on configure. Go to advanced tab and select jumbo packet. Click on value and select disabled. Then click on OK. Again right click on Ethernet and click on diagnose. Wait for some time. Now close the troubleshooter and again right click on Ethernet and select disabled. Again try to enable it. Wait for some time and close all windows one by one. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.